Choosing between a condo with Gulf breezes and a single family home with a private backyard comes down to lifestyle, budget, and comfort with the realities of maintenance and insurance in Florida. Condos are popular in downtown Sarasota because they offer walkability to restaurants, arts, culture, and amenities such as pools and fitness centers. They're ideal for low maintenance, lock and leave living. Single family homes are often found in mainland neighborhoods and provide more privacy, yard space, and flexibility. However, owners are responsible for exterior upkeep, roof replacements, landscaping, and higher individual insurance coverage. But wait, here's a spacious 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom condo that is much more like a single family home than a condo. Since it's a terrace level end unit with its own private yard, it offers the privacy of a single family home. Take sunset views from the private sun deck, or walk down to the heated pool, new fitness center, and sauna through your private gate that also leads to your boat dock with a boat lift. Since the home is located in a condo community, your reasonable condo fees take care of all the exterior maintenance and homeowner's insurance that you would otherwise need to pay for separately when you own a single family home. Unlike other downtown Sarasota condos, this condo home is located directly on Sarasota Bay. Nothing will ever be constructed in front of this home that blocks your sunset and natural bayfront water views. Living here feels like living in the tropics, but you're located in the city, so you can walk to dozens of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment, such as the new 53-acre city park just steps outside this guard-gated community called Condo on the Bay. The views of the Ringling Bridge at night, lit up with various colors, are just spectacular. You're invited to come by for sunset and stay later to watch the sky turn orange and then watch the bridge light up. Just call me or text me for a private tour.